Candles made $13 billion last year. Something smells fishy, doesn't it? I guarantee you it does not. In fact, it actually smells like cinnamon vanilla. Hey, Leah here, and if you're still on the fence about adding candles to your online store, the 100% all-natural, ethically sourced, and reusable product is guaranteed to light up your sales. Trust me, your profits could use a nice bump with a product that makes cross-niching effortless. It's time you learned how to create the perfect candle. But first, don't forget to subscribe for more great content. The biggest thing people get wrong about candles is that they only sell during Christmas, which just is not true. Actually, only 35% of candle sales take place around the holidays. Ever since the pandemic, self-care and wellness trends have been huge on social media. There's millions of eco-conscious customers buying up unique scents from popular spa and wellness brands. And with the right design, you can get in on the action too. Candles can be found in our catalog under Home and Living, then Home Decor, or by simply putting candle into the search bar. Each of our candles offers over 40 hours of burning time, front or wraparound print areas, reusable glass or tin containers, and irresistible scents your buyers will love. Here's how you can create your own custom candle in just a few minutes. Let's start designing one of our best sellers, the 9-ounce scented soy candle. Before you begin, check out the design guidelines by clicking on the info button in the top left. You can also download a design template to use with your desired design program. The template not only gives you the exact image resolution and sizes you need, it also clearly indicates the areas your design will occupy on the label. As you can see, this black line shows the entire area available for our design. Lucky for us, we have plenty of space to work with. Back in the product creator, click on the ruler and pencil icon in the top right corner. Then click Select Variants to choose between the sizes and scents available. Sea salt and orchid sound great to me, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that. Then add your design by either uploading it to your library or by dropping it onto the print area. Here's a good tip for you. Text-based designs sell especially well on candles, and they're incredibly easy to add. Click the text button on the left, select a font, choose a color, and even add an emoji. For custom colors, you can also easily put in a hex code to find exactly what you're looking for. Further down the left side panel, you can find more designs by clicking on any of these buttons. Graphics, to browse and use any of our free images. Templates, to access previously created design templates for particular items. AI, to use our brand new image generator and create a design in seconds with a simple prompt. Paid content, to search for and buy single designs or collections from Shutterstock's library, charging you only when a product with a paid image is sold. And finally, if you're out of ideas or need inspiration, hire a Printify or Fiverr designer by clicking on Services. Once you've added an image to the print area, you can resize or rotate it easily by clicking on the corners, or by putting in exact image measurements under Layers in the panel on the right. The toolbar above your design lets you flip or fit your image, remove a background, and you can also easily create a pattern by adjusting these sliders in the layer panel on the right. When you're happy with your design, click on Preview to see it on your candle. You can choose to view your item in 2 different color modes, or download the images to use as mock-ups to share later. Once you're ready, click on Save Product and add it to your online store. Not only are candles easy to make, they're also incredibly easy to sell. But from shipping to customer service, there's a lot more you can do to make your store greener. First, by giving this video a like, then by watching this tutorial we made about how to build a sustainable brand, and learning how to easily reduce your store's overall impact on the environment. Until then, thanks for watching, and smell you later.